everyone. I have a very exciting product to share with you today, L'Oreal Elvive. And first of all, I have to tell you that I did receive this product free, complimentary from Influenster. And you can tell that I liked it because I have used so much of it. But I just wanted to tell you guys about it because it's only $7 and it's actually a very good damage erasing balm. It repairs damaged hair, and as you guys know, I did do some damage to my hair last year by dyeing it silver, and I feel like I have tried just about everything for repairing my damaged hair. And you can see it's looking pretty good now. It moves, it's soft, it's shiny, and there are a lot of things that have helped along the way. I'm not gonna say that this is a cure-all for your damaged hair. You're gonna need to try some of the other products that I've recommended if your hair is truly as damaged as mine was. But for $7, I think it's a really great conditioning mask. My hair definitely feels softer, and with free products, if I give them a try and they're just like, all right, then I'll go back to using my old stuff, but I'm actually gonna use the whole tub. It really has done some nice work for my hair. I feel like all those little fuzzy ends are finally grown out, trimmed off, and what was left, it just kind of took care of it. So I'm happy with it. It has almond protein and ceramide. Ceramide is always really good for your skin and hair. And yeah, I have given it a try. I've been using it for a few weeks. I can totally recommend this for you. Doesn't hurt to give it a try, especially given the price point, because you can pay a lot of money for more expensive treatments. So this one, I think, is a good bargain. And if you have any questions for me, drop them in the comments. If you have good luck with this, let me know. I'd love to hear how it works out for you. And if you want more information on repairing your damaged hair, then you'll want to hop over to the blog, because I've done a lot of work. I've documented all the way through everything I've tried. Also, my experience with hair extensions. You guys know I also jumped into that last year, and that was interesting. So hop on over to the blog, check it out. If you like it, give me a like, a share, and a follow. It helps me keep making videos for you. And have a wonderful rest of your day. Good luck with your hair.